Hello, friend Mormo here. Today I'm doing an unboxing. I ordered 100 top loaders off of Shein website and they only cost me like $12.31 or something. I got free shipping, but I think it was Gary Sherwood who tipped me off to Shein's cheap prices on top loaders. And this is a pretty small box. It says on the side 4 times 25 pack. It's smaller than the ones I got from Amazon, but we'll open it up and see what's inside. I know there's different types of top loaders. There's clear top loaders and blue top loaders. So I'm really hoping these are clear. I don't think it said on the website when I ordered them if they were clear or if they were blue. But we'll find out and see here. And here's He-Man. He wants to be in the show. Oh, wow. So these are totally different. Regular top loaders. Keeps cards clean. Ultra clear. Awesome. It works. It's a 25 pack of regular top loaders. And as you can see, there's 4 boxes inside. I'm trying not to dox myself. Not that I really care. My address isn't even a secret. But let's go ahead and open this real quick and take a look. Just to make extra sure that they're right. I'm pretty sure they're right though. It took a long time for them to get here, and they were late actually. They sent me an email saying they were late. But these seem real nice. Like real good little top loaders. And yeah, it is clear as you can see. I think I got a card right here that needs to be put into a top loader. I got this Santa junk card I got from Mudball Mike, and so I'll go ahead and put it in a top loader. And awesome, it works. Wow, I'm so stoked. And thank you to Gary Sherwood for the tip. These top loaders work perfectly. They were cheaper than Amazon. Now I get them for like 12 cents. And it's a great deal. So I'll probably order more. And thanks so much for watching. I'm going to put a link to my eBay store in the description. And please consider buying a card from me on eBay. I have some really hot cards right now. You can see in my background, this is one of them. I think it was originally like 6 cards, and now there's like 3 left, but they're real hot for personal reasons. If you're a fan, you can probably figure it out. But I strongly suggest you pick up one of those cards, like the one in my background. They're going to be very collectible. They're very hot. they're not that expensive. $20 for an original piece of art is a pretty good price, and free shipping, of course. But yeah, they're really collectible. Then I got a bunch of nude cards. I got some of my magic trick cards, mixed media magic trick cards, but I'm trying to raise some money so I can donate some money to Smack Gallery. I'm so worried that Smack is going to go out of business because like Papa Murphy's went out of business, Crazy Critters Crafts went out of business, and now Mr. Glencho's is going out of business. So I really want to donate some money to Smack this month. So if you can, please order a card. I'll put a link to my eBay store in the description. And thanks so much.